Good morning. I am JVN Dr. Sangeeta Gautam, and my topic is bonding, ionic bonding, and this is from inorganic chemistry, and discipline is BSc BA first semester. Ionic bonding means the bonding between different ions, different cations and anions, and the learning outcomes from this topic is use simple dot cross diagrams to describe how atoms bond through ionic bonding. Compounds contain a metal and non-metal have ionic bonding. Metal from ions and hydrogen non-metal from negative ions. Electron configuration of metal ions are first we take the example of NaCl, where sodium sulfide. Sodium has atomic number 11 and its configuration is 281. When one electron is released from sodium ion, and these convert in sodium plus, and the configuration will be 28. Next, sulfide non-metal element is sulfide. The atomic number of sulfur is 16 and configuration is 286. When it converts into S-2 ion, the configuration will be 28 only. Properties of ionic compounds: conducts electricity when molten and in solution. High melting point and boiling point, hard solids from crystalline structures. Forces between the ions are very strong. These are non-directional bonds. The strength of bond equal in all direction. The figure shows the crystal structure of NaCl. Is the formal unit, where purple ball shows sodium ions and green ball shows chloride ions. Face-centered cubic lattice as in sodium chloride crystals. Each ion has 6 nearest neighbors. And this figure also shows the lattice structure of NaCl, where one sodium ion is surrounded by different chloride ions and one chloride ion surrounded by different sodium ions. This is also a figure of NaCl crystal, where one unit cell shows the sodium chloride lattice structure, and the small balls, black balls, shows sodium cations, and the bigger ball shows chloride anions. This is the structure, shows the Lewis dot structure of NaCl, where first figure shows the atom of sodium, where the electronic configuration is 281 and atomic number is 11. In outermost shell, we can see here that one electron in outermost shell electron, when it converts into sodium plus ion, this one electron goes to chlorine ion and outermost orbital is vacant. In chlorine, the atomic number is 17 and configuration is 287. When it gets one electron from sodium ion, it converted into chloride ion, the configuration will be 288. When these sodium plus and chloride ions are formed, between the electrostatic forces between sodium plus and chloride ions, anions and cations, these both ions are joined together and form ionic bonding. Actually, ionic bonding is not a bond between different atoms, it's a electrostatic